All right, here's how I would make a COVID deep cleaning proposal using the software called cleanproposals.com. Click on create proposal. In this case, I'll select an existing prospect to add the proposal to. You can see I just got some dummy information in here. Hit create proposal. We'll call it COVID deep clean. And we'll say commercial. We'll pick an office space and we'll click on projects only because you're not doing janitorial on projects. Janitorial is like, the routine, cleaning the restrooms, taking out the trash, sweep, dusting, mopping, etc. And you know what post-construction cleaning is. And then projects only is going to be like the deep cleans, the stripping and waxing floors, window cleaning, if you're only doing those things here. So we'll click on add proposal. We'll scroll down and we'll click on a one-time project. And we'll choose from one of the options here. So we can do disinfectant spraying with electrostatic systems, or you can just do it the manual way. And we'll just choose the manual. And you can choose specific portions of the building that you're going to be doing the service in, or the whole building. We'll just click on whole building. Add project. And you can customize this any way you want. Anywhere you see an edit pencil, you can change the name of it. You can add photos and notes if you like. And then you can use what's already in the system for you. If you don't want it, you can just deselect it and it'll no longer be in the proposal. Or you can customize it and add your own cleaning task if you want here. And then you go into the calculator. For charging, you can charge, so there's several ways to use this calculator. You can do a flat rate. So if you have one person and say you charge, $100 an hour to do the cleaning, you can put it in there and how many hours you think it will take. Or if you do labor and materials, let's say you have somebody that you're paying $17 an hour and it takes 3 hours, then you can add additional expenses. So let's say, cleaning supplies. Obviously, you're going to have a disinfectant spray or something in there. Let's say, I think it's going to be $100. You can add anything else you want in there. Then the software will give you a subtotal of your labor cost and cleaning supplies or whatever else you have in here. You can add a profit margin. Let's say you want to make 30%. And clearly $71 on a disinfecting service is not enough. So let's say you want to make $500, right? And that's what you want, then you can have the charge here. And if you put in the square footage of the facility, the software will then tell you what you're charging per square foot. Or you can just add in the square footage here, and then the software will reversely tell you what to charge the client. And that also tells you what your profit margin is here and the dollar amount that you're making. If you live in an area where you need to add sales tax, you can just click that and add your sales tax in there on your service. And the last step, you just go into finalize proposal. You can pick from dozens of professionally designed themes that you want to use. You'll have your own logo, tagline, and everything else in there. Name of my company is Advanced Cleaning Professionals. And then it comes equipped with a cover letter that's completely customizable. Just click on expand here. Anything you want to keep in the proposal, just make sure it's checked. If you want it to disappear, like that, for example, it will disappear. And edit pencil here, you can customize anything that you want. Then it has a complete legal agreement in it. Let's take a look at the compensation. This is what the pricing table looks like, and we'll just scroll through this here. And you've loaded up your certificate of insurance. Here's your project that you'll be doing for the disinfecting services. And then also you can add additional documentation to this. So let's say we were deep cleaning the bathroom or something. We'll save that. And then let's just go and take a look at what down here. That's the additional documentations that I added. So it's really customizable. It's pretty simple to use, but you look professional and make a ton of money with this. And then you can submit it electronically. And you'll know when the prospect has opened it. They can sign it with e-sign, and you'll get alerts. And you can countersign it through the system as well. So this should help you land some deals. It's cleanproposals.com. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm glad to help.